Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is a new channel, so please support us. If you haven't joined our Telegram group yet, please join. To join our Telegram group, search Winning X1, and you can see that 110 members are there. So you can join this channel. You will get almost all the football teams and IPL teams and some other teams as well, like baseball. It depends on the matches. So please connect it with us. So today I am going to tell you about this new app called Sixer. Because we have seen like we have faces losses in this IPL and all, but here you can win matches if but you need to have some patience. Then you can definitely profit more. So let's come to the Sixer app and see what is it. So I'm going to open the Sixer app. So here you can see this app Sixer here. So it is kind of like stock market, to be honest. And when you will sign up with this Sixer app, you will be in a free market where you can enjoy like play just normally play, but you can't earn money here. To earn money, you need to just switch to real market. Then you need to purchase players. Suppose here Nicholas Puran is there for 35, Lokesh Rahul is there for 46. Lokesh Rahul is there out of stock for 46, but it will be available in stocks like after 10 hours. Then you can purchase a few stocks of this player. So what is the rule? Let's come to the rule now. So like I'll come to my portfolio actually. You can see I purchased Steve Smith, Usman Khawaja, and Rashid Khan, and many other players are there actually. So let's forget that. So whenever you're purchasing a player, you need to minimum hold that player for 4 games, and you can purchase as many stocks you want to purchase. And while signing up also, you will get a free stock. And I'll share my referral code. If you want to sign up with my referral code, then you can use it, or you can use someone else as well. And okay, so now let's come back to rules again. So you need to purchase minimum 3 stocks. Here you can see in the top, and you need to hold it for 4 games, then you can sold it. So that's it. It's quite easy. So you can see my graph and all, like how much I invested and all. So IPL is there, invest properly. For right now I can give some suggestion like at what player you can bet on actually. So I think Lokesh Rahul is a good choice. Nicholas Puran is also a good choice. Subnam Gill, then Ewan Morgan, Prashid Krishna. So these are all players who like which are good option. I will give suggestions in my Telegram group like almost a few times in a week or almost daily. So please stay connected with us, and I will give suggestion. Thank you. And please subscribe this channel as well. This is my first video, and if there is any suggestion you guys want to give, you can just write in the comment section.